Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you how to make clams masala. It's a very simple recipe. First of all, we are going to need clams and we have to clean them. Once you buy the clams, you can store them in the freezer overnight, so it's very easy to open them up. Once you open them, the meat is on one side of the shell, and this is what we are going to use. This is what we'll be disposing it of. Need ginger garlic paste, salt, turmeric, garam masala, red chili powder, coriander finely chopped, and vertically chopped onion. All these masalas you can take like 1 tablespoon each. Salt will of course be as per your taste, and some oil. So we're going to begin by adding some oil in a pan. Once it's heated, we will add the onion to this. Saute the onion till it's slightly pinkish. The onion is slightly pinkish. Now we'll add in some ginger garlic paste and salt. So I'm adding some salt. Saute this. Add a bit of coriander. Now we're going to add a pinch of turmeric, red chili powder, garam masala, and saute for a while. Before we add in the clams, just make sure that they are properly washed, because they find sand particles. You really need to wash them many times before you mix in with the masalas. Okay, so we have this is sauteed, and now we can mix in our washed clams. Now we're going to lower the flame and we're going to cover it and let it cook for a while, like about 10 minutes. So this has been cooking for about 10-15 minutes and it's ready to serve.